We'll guide you through how to bold text in Canva. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your browser because this is the first thing you need to do before anything else. After the browser loads, search for Canva using the search bar so you can reach the site quickly. When the results appear, click the first web that shows up and looks right, since it will take you straight to the main page. Once the site opens, log into your account, or sign in if you do not have one yet. After you are in, look at the left side of the screen and click the Create option. This button lets you begin a new design with the size you want. Then tuck the ratio that you want to use for your project. The ratio decides the shape of your workspace. For example, you can use a wallpaper ratio and select it from the choices that appear. After the canvas loads, go to the text section on the left so you can add your writing. Click Add a text box to place a new text layer on your canvas. When the box appears, type the text you want to add. After that, adjust the size and the position of the text layer based on what you need for your layout. Then select the layers so you can choose the font and text color that you want. These changes help your text match the style of your design. When that is done, add one more text layer. This second layer can be used to support the first one or add more details you want to include. Adjust the size and position of this new layer the same way as before, making sure it fits your plan. You can also change the font of the second text layer if you feel it needs a different style or tone. When everything looks right, select the part of the text that you want to bold. This step helps you highlight words or parts that must stand out in your design. Follow these steps in order, and you will end up with a clean layout that shows your text clearly and is simple to edit. You can review your work once more to make sure every layer sits in the right place. If something looks off, you can adjust it without trouble. Keep checking both text layers so they support each other and keep the design tidy.